Hello students, welcome back to the Maths Digital class. Today we are going to learn about Roman numerals. You already know these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers and that is called Hindu Arabic numeration. That is Hindu Arabic numbers. These are Hindu Arabic numbers. So today we are going to learn about Roman numerals. These are the Roman numerals. Okay, and these are the values. So we already you remember these signs in your question papers. So these are the signs which you have seen already. So that is I, V, X. Okay, so these are more signs. L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, and M means 1000. Okay, so these are the bigger signs we are not going to use, but we are going to learn only this. Okay, this. So let us go ahead. So today let us go ahead now. These are the basic signs which you are going to learn. That is I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, and L means 50. Okay, these are the basic signs we are going to learn now. Now let us go ahead. So when we write the sign double, when we write the sign two times, it means we are adding. Okay, we are writing the sign two times, it means we are adding 1 plus 1. I means 1, so 2 means I plus I, that is I plus 2 times it means we are adding. It becomes 2. Now 3 we are writing it 3 times. 1, 2, 3 we are adding it. It means we need to add. 3 means 3 times we have written, it means we need to add 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So there is one more thing which I would like to show you here. A sign can be repeated only up to 3 times. A sign can be repeated only up to 3 times. It means they cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, we cannot repeat the sign more than 3 times. Like here, number 4. We cannot write 4 times 4 lines. That will be wrong. Okay, so instead of that, what do we write? We write a number. You know that V is 5. So V is 5, and when we write a sign before that, like here 1 IV it is given, it means this is 4. It means 5 minus 1. When we write a sign before the bigger sign, like 5 is big and 1 is small, so when we write a sign before that, it means we are subtracting. So this is the way we need to subtract. Now when we write a sign after that, after a bigger number, it means we are adding. 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay, so this is the difference between 4 and 6. Please don't get confused. When we write a sign before the bigger number, like 5 is big, when we write a sign before this, we are subtracting. Okay, now when we write a sign, the sign after the bigger number, like, okay, 5 is big and 1 is small. So when we write the sign after it, so that it means we are adding it. 5 plus 1, that becomes 7. Okay, and you have seen that 5 is V. Now 7 we write the same way. That is V plus 1 plus 1. Okay, or you can also say 2. Okay, V plus 2, that also becomes 7. So this is the way we are writing 7. Now 8. How do we write 8? We are writing 8 this way. For 8, we are writing V and then writing 3 times. 3 times the same sign. That means, or we can also say we are adding 3. Or we are adding 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That becomes 8. Okay, so this is the way we are writing, and as we have seen that we cannot repeat it more than 3 times. So 9 we cannot write 4 times 1. Okay, so for 9 what do? We just follow the same system as we have followed here 4. Okay, so you know that X means 10. X is 10, you know that. So before that, if you put one sign, that becomes minus. Okay, before it means if you put one sign, it becomes minus, and after if you put, it means it will be added. So 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay, X is 10. Now for double X, if for 20 we have tried X 2 times, same way as we have followed here 2. Okay, same way as we have followed here 2, we have tried X 2 times, so this becomes 10 plus 10. Okay, now here for 30, X we are writing 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So that is 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. Now for 40 we cannot write x 4 times because of this rule. So we cannot write, so what do? We follow the same system as we have followed in 4 or 9. We are writing a smaller number before the bigger number. L is 50 and x is 10. So we are writing a smaller number before that, before the bigger number, so it becomes minus. Okay, we have written a smaller number before this, it means it becomes minus. So 50 minus 10, that is 40. Okay, so these are the basic rules and this is the way you are going to write. So first and foremost you need to know 1 to 10 by heart. Okay, 1 to 10 you need to learn it very nicely. So we will go ahead, and before going there is one more thing. V is never repeated. We cannot write 2 times V. We can repeat only x, or we can repeat only x and I. Okay, we cannot repeat V. So V is never repeated. So here I have shown you, I have see 1 to 10 we just now learned. You can write it, put the lines above, or you cannot put, as I did not put here. So this is both the ways you can write. So 1 to 10 I already taught you here. Now how to write 11. So for 11 you see, if I hide this x, you see that these are all 1 to 10. If you hide this, you see these are same 1 to 10 which are this side here, same which you have learnt already. Now if we write x before that, it means we are adding x plus 1. 10 plus 1 becomes 11, 10 plus 2 becomes 12, 10 plus 3 becomes 13, 10 plus 4 14, and this way it goes. Okay, so this is 19. 10 plus 9. Okay, don't get panic by seeing these numbers. You just have to be, you see which number is this and what is added. This is 9, you know this is 9. Now 10 is added to 9, sorry 9 is added to 10, so this becomes 19. So 20, as I showed you here, this becomes 20. Now 21, 22, it goes again same way. See, you can see that 20 and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is all same numbers which you have learnt, 1 to 10, and we just have to add 20 in front. Okay, right, like here we are adding 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, writing the same way, just we are putting 2 in front. So here same way we are adding 20 in front of them. So this becomes 21, 22, 23. This becomes the same way, and then 3 times 30. Now we go ahead for this side, 31, 32. Now here also I will show you it is 1 to 10 the same way. Okay, you can see these are the same numbers 1 to 9. So these are going on repeating. So this number 1 to 9 you need to know by heart. And here also you see, if we hide this 3, you can see that these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are same. So in Roman numerals also these are same. You just have to put 30 in front. So 31, 32, 33. You just have to go on like this. Now this is 39. Okay, this is 39. And for 40, as I showed you here, 40, 50 minus 10, this becomes 40 here like this. Excel. Now here the same way, 40 is this, so 41 will be like this one. You see, first you, as I said, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This one you need to know by heart. You just have to write 40 in front of that. 41, then 40. Excel is 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and then 50. Straight away L. So this is the way we are writing 1 to 50. Okay, so I hope this is you have learned this, you understood what I have taught. It is very important to learn 1 to 10 by heart, and once you go on practicing, this will be easy for you. Okay, it will be easy for you. You just have to be careful in writing 1 to 9, and you have to remember the signs. What does this sign, what are the meanings of these signs? Okay, as I said, the meanings of this: I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, and L means 50. So we are going, for now we are going to learn only till 50. Okay, so you need to learn all this. You can copy down in your copies this everything, so that it will be easy for you for your further studies, and I will send you a snap of this so that you can write it in your own copies. Okay, so you just have, it is not difficult When we write the smaller number before, I will revise it. Okay, when we write a smaller number before a bigger number, it means we are subtracting. Okay, 1 is smaller than 5, so it means we are subtracting. Same way 9 here. 1x, that is 10 minus 1. We are subtracting, writing a smaller number before. 10 is big and 1 is small. So we are writing a smaller number before, it means it becomes 9. So 10 minus 1. And then 11 is same way as I showed you here. x1 is 11. Okay, then double x1 is 21. Triple x1 is 31. And xl, that is 40 and 1. This becomes 41. So this is the way you are going to learn. This one you are supposed to write. These are your homeworks. Your homework is to write the Roman numerals 1 to 50 2 times. One time you can copy down from here, and second time you have to write your own. Please write your own so that you have to see, we have to check whether you have learnt or not. Okay, you have to see whether you have learnt or not. Please write your own, and then you can check from what is given here, so that it will be easy for you to learn. You can grasp it. And you also have to do the exercise 1D. I will send you the answers later on. I will solve and show you, but first you need to solve. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.